Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team. Today I'm excited to bring you this new 6x6 paper pad. It is the Cat's Meow and it is part of the new Cat's Meow release. This paper pad does have 12 designs and 4 of each design, so it is double-sided paper and all the papers are just adorable. On this pattern paper, you'll see this beautiful pattern of the food bowls with a little fish skeleton on it, and it's got beautiful teal, yellow, and pink on there. Great color combination. And on the reverse is a pattern of the fish skeletons as well on a white background. Our next pattern paper has the fish skeletons as well on a teal striped background. It almost looks like they're swimming in the ocean. You'll see little bubbles on the background of the paper. And on the flip side, we have this beautiful teal polka dot on a white background. I love that the reverse side of the paper has a more neutral pattern so that you can combine the pattern papers when making your projects. On our next piece, we have this beautiful pattern paper with balls of yarn, again with a teal, pink, and yellow. And on the back, it has this nice teal and white stripe pattern. On our next pattern paper, we have these little food bowls with also the fish skeletons all over. I think it's just adorable. And on the reverse of this paper, we have a lavender polka dot. Our next pattern paper has this adorable pattern of kitties all over it. Some of them are looking right at you, some of them are napping. And on the reverse of this pattern paper is this lovely zigzag pattern. Now our next pattern paper has a pattern of all these kitty paws all over it. I just love the colors of this pattern paper. And on the reverse side has all these wonderful meow sentiments all over with yellow background. Take a quick look at the papers in this wonderful Cat's Meow pattern paper pad. Now here is one of the cards I made using some of the Cat's Meow pattern paper. And I used the paper with the little fish skeletons and the teal polka dot. Then I stamped and colored images from the Pawsome Cats stamps set, and I cut them out with the coordinating dies. And I used the sleeping kitty image and all the little smaller images floating up above as though he's dreaming of all the goodies he'd like to have. The sentiment came from the Pawsome Cats sentiments and coordinating dies. And for my second card, I made a shaped card. I used the nested stitched hexagon dies to cut this out. And again, I used the Cat's Meow pattern paper. And for the sentiment, I again used a sentiment from the Pawsome Cats sentiments. And I just stamped and embossed that on some silver glitter paper. I think this is just an adorable little card, and I know just the person I'm going to give it to. If you haven't done it already, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button on the Kat Scrappiness channel. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.